Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Emily's Upcycled Home. Please shop my items on Facebook Marketplace with the link in the description. Follow me on my business page for updates, reels, and new items. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget that notification bell for more DIY videos. Let's jump into project number 1. And this piece is going to be an upcycle of an upcycle. I had this posted for a while, I would say forever, and I'm just going to go ahead and change it up. And we're going to come in with the DIY paint color Avery, which is this pretty green color here. And I'm just going to go ahead and give this a layer of green paint here. And I believe I do 2 coats on this, and I'm so glad that I redid this because it actually sold the same day that I posted it. And now I'm going to come in with the Inferno Melange ILD transfer set, and I'm going to come in with these like peach roses here, and we're going to go ahead and add that to the top. And I'm going to cut off the excess at the bottom, whatever wording overhangs, and then I'm going to go ahead and add that to the base of the piece. But first of all, I'm just going to come in with my little stick here, and I'm going to press that transfer and rub it onto our piece here. And now for the slats, I'm just coming in and I just use my stick and kind of just force them down into the little groove. Now I come in with the back of my pad there and varnish the whole piece so it has a secure bond. And then I come in with this little wording piece left over and I add it to this side here. And I'm just rubbing in once again with my little handy dandy stick they give you. And then we're going to go ahead and seal this whole project. But I believe here I'm going to come in with a little bit of DIY wax, dark wax, and add that to the edges of the piece just to like contrast the edges and have them stand out a little bit more. And then I'm going to add a little bit to the sides, and I'm just going around on the edges, and this is just a brush that I grabbed that already has the dark wax on it, so I didn't add any more to it. And then I'm just going to go ahead, and now we're going to go ahead and seal that. Transfer on the top and the paint with Big Top. Jumping into project number 2, we're going to take this spindle and these little rounds and we're going to make some candle holders. Now I already cut my spindle in half and I attached the thicker round, the 4-inch round here that I got from Hobby Lobby onto the bottom. And to do so I used wood glue and a brad nail, a 3-inch, and I just attached that. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint this in the same color Aviary by DIY Paint. I'm going to come in and seal it with Big Top here. And now I did add some dark wax to that and I forgot to seal it, so I went back and sealed it because I did make some mistakes. And then I'm going to come in with these 4-inch coaster rounds that I do get off of Amazon. And I'm just coming in with plain DIY dark wax. And I'm just going to stain the tops and the underneath. Now there are 2 pieces of these, a set of 2, but I only showed you guys one. I didn't want to bore you too much with the same painting and everything. And I think I might have went a little bit too fast in the speed round here of showing you the painting process. And if you want me to slow it down a little bit more, just let me know in the comments. And like always, you want to wipe off your excess. And then I'm going to go ahead and go seal. Also add that grunginess here, or that distress layer here. And I'm going to go over with the Big Top over the green. Project number 3 here is just this little mini cloche I have, And I believe I got these on Amazon. I was going to use them in my home, and then I decided not to. So we're going to just go ahead and upcycle this one. And we're going to come in with that same aviary green color. And I'm just going to go around the whole wood base here. Gonna let that dry. My first process was to leave the underneath wood and leave the little feet wood, but I went ahead and decided to paint those. And then to bring in that green to the top, I'm going to add some aviary to the little knob there. And now to seal everything, we're coming back in with that big top by DIY. We're gonna seal this, and then we're gonna come in with that same ephemeral melange transfer, and we're going to add some transfers to this piece. Now I just clipped out pieces that I liked, and for the glass case I'm just going to bring in this wording here, and we're going to apply it to our glass here. Using your stick, just rub it in, and then make sure you varnish that by rubbing your plastic all over the piece to make sure it has a good bond. I add the rest of the transfers, and then I go over with dark wax. And here are our finished results. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of these items. Shop my items at the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.